guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Recently I got my hands on a lot of Huda beauty product, and I had never tried out this nude palette from her, so I just thought today we'll do something really easy, something for winter season and very easy glowy face and some very pretty shimmery eyes. And so yeah guys, I'll be trying out that because I have never tried out that palette from Huda beauty. So I thought let's just use that palette because it has some pretty beautiful nudes and shimmer shades. She has some new formulas for her shimmer and metallic shades, so we will get to try out that. I'm sure you must have tried out these products, but yeah guys, I'll be doing that. And today is only an eyeshadow look. I'm not going to do anything else on camera because I'll be testing a new foundation today for a new video. Maybe the video for the foundation will be up before this, I'm not sure, but mostly the foundation review will be up before the eyeshadow look because I have 2 or 3 new foundations, and I need to do reviews on that. I think this month I'm only doing reviews on products, but you know, there are so many new foundations that are launching, and so yeah, I'm very interested. And yeah guys, I'll be trying my first Halloween look this time for Halloween. Maybe I'll do 2 or 3 easy looks. I'll try. I'm not sure how it is going to turn out. I'm not really sure, but those videos will be uploaded after 20th, and I'll be doing 2 or 3 Diwali looks as well. I couldn't do Navratri look because I was kinda sick. I couldn't do it, and I don't like to do makeup videos at the very last moment because it doesn't turn out good. I'm always in a hurry, and the video is in a hurry, the makeup doesn't look good, editing is not good, nothing is good. So yeah, as if you must have seen, I have changed my icons and logos for Halloween month. So this month videos will be Halloween kind of theme. So let's see, I'll be changing those things, and I've changed my banner of YouTube as well. So if you have seen, I don't know if you have seen or not. And yeah guys, thank you for subscribing. I am getting a lot of people are subscribing now to my channel, and I'm really thankful for that. So yeah, lots of talking. So anyways guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is there in the description below, so if you want you can check it out. And yeah guys, thank you for subscribing. I'm really appreciating that you are supporting me, and I'm really very thankful for that. And it is also free. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can share my videos with your friends and family. So yeah guys, let's just dive in the video. I'm just talking too much. So yeah guys, I'll be using this nude Huda beauty palette. I really love the packaging of the cover of this, and the actual packaging is beautiful as usual. She has beautiful packaging for her palettes, and she recently came out with 3 more mini nude palettes. They are so beautiful. She has designed each palette for different kind of skin tones, which is really very thoughtful for a brand to do that, because I don't think any brand has done any eyeshadow palette based on you know, skin tones as such. And the inside one is really gorgeous. So this is the palette. I know you must have seen, this is a concealer, but I don't think I'm going to use that because I usually use my concealer as my eyeshadow base because it really lasts long. And I usually use Tarte Shape Tape because it is really good. It is full coverage and it creates a blank canvas, so that is really good. So this is the palette. So I'll just use my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal my eyelids. And I was really sick for almost a week. I'm still sick. I think in the whole week I filmed today, I had filmed, I think, on Tuesday, uh, doing a small tutorial using the Huda Beauty Lifeliner for Instagram, and I did a video using her makeup remover balm that for Instagram, and I didn't do anything the whole week. I was just I got up very late. I'm sleeping late. I've made a schedule on which day I want to do what videos, so that is actually really good. So accordingly I, you know, shoot videos. Otherwise I'm just sitting the whole day, shooting videos, and I wasn't getting time at all to edit. And I am still consistent on my YouTube and Instagram, so that is good. So I want time for editing as well, because it takes a lot of time. I don't know a lot of editing. Whatever my husband has taught me, I know that much. I try to make it little bit fancy. So today I just wanted to make a video, trying out the new foundation and an eye look for next week, because it is a weekend, so I can probably, just edit. And I'm sure till the time you see this video I'll be fit and fine soon. I'm just setting it with a loose powder. So firstly I'll use the shade Secret, and I'll put this all over my crease. Then let's see what we'll go for. I'm really not sure. I'm putting this all over my crease and just, doing 2 or 3 layers to achieve the color that I want. Now I'll use a much denser brush, and I'll use the same shade just to pack it on the outer part. I'm just waiting for winter season. Winter season will start and I'll do brunch look, dinner look, because usually a lot of people go out for brunch. A lot of people go out anyways, even during the summer season, but winter season, it's good. So I'll kind of do all that looks. I'm gonna start it very soon. And guys, please write in the comments below whatever kind of videos you want to see, what makeup you want to see. Let me know in the comments below. I'm just going to use this shade. The shade is Raw. It is a much deeper shade, and I'm going to just put it in the outer corner as well, just to give a little bit of depth. I'm sorry I'm not really talking a lot, because if I keep talking while doing every step, my video will be around 10-20 minutes, which is eventually 10-20 minutes. But I don't want the eye looks to be, too long. Just using my first brush and using the first shade just to blend in the colors. So as you can see, this is what we are going for. I don't want to do anything very smoky as such, and they have pretty beautiful shades. So just 2 shades, shimmer shade, lower lash line with a matte shade, and we are actually done. I'm not gonna use the glitter shade because I don't want any kind of reddish shimmer on my eyes. They have pretty beautiful metallic shades, so I'll just swatch it. I haven't even swatched it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Shit, my god, that is so beautiful. I really get excited, I think, only for makeup. The shimmer shades, so damn pretty. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. I think I'll use these 2 shades because they are very pretty. So I'm using the shade Daydream. Then on top of that, I think we will use the shade Crave. So I'm just slightly just using MAC Fix Plus on top of that, and let's see if this doesn't work out. Then as usual I'll use a concealer and then put this on top, because metallic shades are usually works really good when you know, when you use your finger. I think I'll actually use my fingers. Can you see how metallic is that? And this is a really great everyday palette, honestly. And not everybody is interested to use brushes, concealers and everything to do the shimmers. Everybody's comfortable using their fingers to do their eyeshadows, and I think metallic shades work honestly really well with your fingers. Can you see how metallic that is? The shade Crave, and I'll put on top of that. I think this is one of the best shades. Now I'll use the raw shade again and just deepen up the outer corner and just blend the metallic shade with the matte shade. I think I'll use this first matte shade and I'll put it in my brow bone. I didn't want to do a very long video because I don't think everybody is interested in a very long video. So yeah guys, I'll quickly do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Now for the lower lash line, I'll again use the same dark nude shade, which is the shade Raw, and I'll put it in my lower lash line and I'll blend it with the shade Secret. Now guys, I'll take the shade Love Bite and I'll just put this very close to my lash line. So this is how it's looking. Now we'll put the same metallic shade in my inner corners. I don't actually know whether I have any similar color of eyeliner, so I think I'll use a brown eyeliner. This is from LA Girl. I actually want to do a wing liner, but I don't have anything pink, so I think I'll have to use liquid lipstick. So I'll try and use this Maybelline ink lipstick. Maybe it will work. I'm just gonna try out. If it doesn't work, I'm not gonna use it. Actually, it is looking good on camera. I'll just quickly set that with an eyeshadow. So that's looking better. So guys, I'm actually really liking the eyeshadow. Now I'll quickly just do my eyelashes off camera because I'm gonna take a lot of time, and I'll quickly just have my lunch and I'll be right back. So guys, I did the rest of my face. This is how my eye makeup turned out. It is very pretty, very subtle. You can even wear this for you know, if you're going for some fancy dinner, or even for any date. You know, if you're going if you're going for a date with your husband, your BF, with your friends, with your girlfriends, with anyone. This look is so damn pretty. And yeah, I didn't do anything to my hair because I'm not doing any heat styling to my hair because it got really rough. So I'm just doing, you know, applying egg yogurt honey hair mask to my hair twice a week, and it is really making my hair soft again. Anyways, so this is how the eye look turned out. So pretty. And I used the Maybelline Super Ink lipstick in 60 Poet, and I used the Kiko Milano lip gloss, 3D Hydra lip gloss in the shade 05. So this is how it's looking. Really liked how it turned out. Honestly, I love this palette. The eye look turned out so great. The metallics are so damn good. If you didn't like this palette, you can check out her new nude palettes, which are made for different skin tones, but I would still prefer this looks pretty. Yeah guys, if you like this eye look, I just used three shades to do this eye look. Very pretty, very simple. Just used a bold lashes. It is also from Huda Beauty. I used the Samantha lashes, and yeah, seems I did so much. I spent a lot of time, but I actually did it. It took me not even half an hour to do the eye look, which is really great. So anyways guys, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also share it with your friends. So guys, if you're wondering what is on my face, I did a foundation review test and wear test. It is already up on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out. You can see how it turned out, whether it was good, bad. Yeah guys, that was all for today's video, and yeah guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.